A very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about translating relationship sets with key constraints. This being submitted by Group 4. The members of Group 4 are Edwin Johnson, Kevin Chako, Naufia Naushad, Grishma Ramanan, Maria Babu, and Mary Joseph. Let's see what is relationship set. It is the association between several entities. Several entities can have some common relationship or a connection between them. Such connections are called relationship. A set of relationship is called relationship set. Always the relationship set having relationship of same type. It can be a mathematical relation. Key constraints: primary key and foreign key. Primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. It must have unique values and cannot contain null values. A table will having a lot of records and each record can identify by this primary key. In the given example, here roll number, name, address, age, all are the values and number of given as primary keys. Next one, foreign key. Foreign key are the column of the table that point to the primary key of another table. Foreign keys used to connect two tables. They act as the cross-reference. Translating relationship set with key constraints. Translation is approximate because it is not always possible to capture all the constraints in the ER designs, which relational schema, more than one approach to translate to ER diagram to relational schema. It is possible to make a translation complete. If a relationship set involves n entity sets and some m of them are linked via arrows in the ER diagram, the key for any one of these m entity sets constitute a key for the relation to which the relationship set is mapped. We have m candidate keys and one of these should be designated as the primary key. This is an example that student is the entity, SID, name, age, email, or all other attributes are linked to the students via a connection link, that is arrow. This is the algorithm for that. Here, create a table for the entity set and each attribute in the entity can be set as the field or the table with an appropriate type. Declare the field comprising the primary key, and this is the SQL code. Mapping relationship set with the key constraints. Here, there are two entities, student and code, and enrolled in the relationship between these two entities. The relationship is shown by a diamond. Then the algorithm. Create a table for the relationship set. Add all primary keys of the participating entity set as field of the table. Add a field for each attribute of the relationship. Declare a primary key using the key fields from the source entity set only. Declare foreign key constraints for all the fields from the source and the target entity sets. This is the SQL code. The captured key constraint is not the participation constraints that require an alternative approach and a participation further kind of declaration.